I made this video to show you that voter fraud is very real. I came across the video online and followed through with it, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step what I did to prove to you that voter fraud exists. A gentleman by the name of William Bradley. He was born on Tuesday, March 4th, 1902. He died in 1982. If he was alive today, he would be roughly 118, 119 years old, somewhere around there. He lives in Michigan, or he lived in Michigan in Wayne County, and the city actually that he lived in was Detroit. Not so. I need to change that. But this is his information. I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side, and we're going to go over here to the Social Security Index where I have William Bradley's name. Now, I'm going to provide links to these web addresses where you can go and search this information yourself just to prove to yourself that this is true and this actually happens. But I'm going to search this information up just to show you that this man actually is who he says he is and that he died. And so we know when we do the initial free search here, it's going to show you, I'm just typing in 1902 in Michigan. I'm going to update these results. And so here we have two different people. Well, I had told you earlier that he died in 1984, and he was born in 1902. And so here we click on the first one. And so I pull up here. Here is Mr. Bradley, roughly 82 years old when he died in 1984. So now that we're here, we're going to go take a look at the Michigan Voter Information Center. This is where it shows you, you can check to see if you're registered to vote. And scrolling down here, I'm going to go ahead and put in his information right here. William is his first name. Bradley. He was born in, looks like March. The year was 1902. And the zip code that he lived in, which is not listed, but I'm going to go ahead and add that, is 48207. So 48207. So I'm going to add the zip code here for, and so I went ahead and added the zip code into this document, which I'm going to provide for you to actually do the search yourself. So we're going to search by name here, and then let's go ahead and pull this up. And you'll notice here that when we see if he's registered to vote, he is registered to vote. He registered to vote. It looks like he made the application on 9/11. A ballot was sent out to him on 9/19. The ballot was received back on 10/2 of 2020 for the election that happened on November 3rd. Now, logic will tell you that there's no way a 119-year-old man exists. And we have already shown you that his death record, basically dying in 1982 at the ripe old age of 82 years old. So now everyone in the media is claiming that voter fraud, mail-in ballots, there is no voter fraud. Well, I'm showing you right here that there is voter fraud. You can do this yourself. I'm going to enclose a link that you can download a PDF file that will give you step-by-step how to look this up on public websites to show you that dead people are voting.